guys, this is a video on mathematical operations you can perform in Golang. So yeah, I'm not gonna type out anything over here. I think what should I say, this should be pretty clear to you in first go. If you're familiar with other programming languages like C++ or Java, this should be clear to you, but just by looking at the code. You don't want to see me type it out and waste your time. So yeah, and if you haven't done any programming languages earlier, you're new to Golang, I would say listen to my explanation, and you're gonna get the hang of it. So yeah, this is like the simplest thing we are gonna do in Golang right now. So okay, import your packages fmt. Just remember these packages, like you do not need to remember these packages. Go to the official documentation thing of Golang, you will find these packages there. Okay, and don't try to list out all your packages at once. Use them in your program. You feel the necessary of it, import those packages. That way you can, like, what should I say, handle your packages more graciously. Just a tip from my side, whatever. Okay, so welcome to Maths and Golang. You guys remember, this is how we initial variables in Golang: int, float 64, var method. You could have pretty much initialized stuff like this with the help of walrus operator. Okay, I should have named the variable, what should I do differently so that it gets initialized, whatever. So yeah, var, these are basically initializations in Golang. Now second over here is kind of float 64 variable. This is a floating point integer, okay, number which is a decimal point. Now I wanna add an integer kind of variable to it. This isn't possible unless and until you convert it explicitly. Okay, so float 64 first, what it does is it explicitly converts the integer variable first into a floating point integer. Okay, now the sum is my number int plus int my number 2. This is another floating point integer. I'm converting into just an integer variable. This is basically, these two lines are, what should I say, these two lines are just this shows arithmetic operations in Golang, and at the same time explicit conversion in Golang. Okay, and these are two methods of getting in random variables in Golang. I would say, like, I personally suggest go with this kind of method. I like this. Just a personal suggestion. This kind of method has a lot of syntax in it, unnecessary syntax, unnecessary brainstorming. Just go with this, and you're really gonna use this kind of things in Golang, like this two packages. Generating random variable is not an everyday need. So yeah, you're gonna need it, but you're not gonna need it that much. So yeah, basically there's that. If you want, I'm gonna like display the output for you guys as well. cd05 my maths. Okay, go run main.go. You can see. Okay, another time go run main.go. These random variables are gonna get changed. 50 another time, 3 1 another time, 5 1 another time, 3 1. So you basically get the hang of it. The rest of it stays similar. So yeah, this is basically mathematical operations in Golang. So yeah, if you liked this video, the explanation was clear, just like it, subscribe it. This is because preparing these modules take a lot of time, and I want to keep my videos as short as possible so that you just do not need to see me coding, what should I say, like adding up variables and display them. I try to give as crisp a description as possible, and as fast as possible, and providing you with hands-on code, so like you can code it on your own and you get the hang of it. I would highly suggest pause this video, don't listen to my explanation, move to the front, and try this code on your own. Also, you're gonna get this code in the GitHub link below. All of this code is available. Try it on your own. It's very easy. Or listen to my explanation if you're gonna get stuck in anywhere. Okay, like literally anywhere. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.